Welcome back, guys. Today we stitched this beastie on. Turned out pretty good and I'm happy. Two things going on here. You're probably wondering why I cut my patch top half of it off. Simply because I don't want the join or the weld showing when you look inside the boot. So you'll just see the boot floor come to the edge of here on the inside, and you won't see that join. And the other problem I got with this new patch is she's a bit out of whack on the little body line there, so I'm gonna have to move this one, roll that flat and then move it along so it matches. Yeah, fun and games. Also, just need to clarify something. I'm not a welder. I'm not a panel beater. I'm just a mechanic. I don't know if anyone's done this before, but on the opposite side, I got a piece of aluminium strip, put some Tech screws in it, cut some little slots in the body, and then when the new panel goes on, get it where you want it, and then you just buzz those screws up. Keeps it nice supported, and yeah, the last side I welded took me about 4 hours because I just tacked it bit by bit, so it didn't warp. It did a tiny bit, but no, it turned out pretty good. So hope the same happens to this side. Okay, so it's the next day. Got both sections cleaned up, ready to weld on. Adjusted my little body line there, so that's good to go. Cleaned up inside and out. Time to glue it on. Probably should mention that quarter panel's got a curve in it as well. So obviously my aluminium strip has the matching curve. All screwed on. Pretty happy with how that lines up there. Once I get all this tacked on, I'll have to flex that out a little bit and then probably heat this and get that edge there to line up. It's not a big issue, but okay, finally got all that welded up. Still got to tweak that end bit there. Yeah, got all that cleaned up. Still gonna have a play with the file and inside. Yeah, so I'll give it a bit of, it's a little bit wrinkly. Got a bit of a tap hammer and dolly and run the file over it, see what it looks like. Okay, after a long day, I've got it about as good as I'm going to get it, I think. Pretty happy. Yeah. Might have a go at the other side. Still a little bit wrinkly compared to this one. Alright guys, cheers again for tuning in, and like always, look out for your mates. Cheers.